Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to be taking a look at a recent trade that we took on Priceline. And the reason for this video is so that you can learn how we trade at the Trading Analyst, as well as so that you can learn to do it on your own. It's very important to learn strategies that actually work. So that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video so that you can learn how to make these profitable trades like we're making in the membership program. So we were looking at Priceline here, and this is the 15-minute chart on Priceline heading into May 4th. And you can see we were trading sideways for about almost 3 days here, trading sideways. And you can see the Bollinger Bands really getting tight, and it was already in a nice little uptrend headed in there. So more than likely this is going to be a continuation pattern rather than something that was going to break down. So we knew what to expect, and we were waiting for this breakout to happen. And we not only were waiting for it to happen personally, but we prepared the members in the Trading Analyst membership program in the member video, because we don't just throw out alerts. We prepare members for the trades that are about to happen because we want the members to see what we are seeing. So back to the trade here, you can see we were trading sideways within this range here, and we were just looking for a break over this resistance. We got that pretty early in the morning. This is just about an hour after the market opened, and you can see here that we alerted Priceline, and these were at the time weekly calls here. Most of our trades at the Trading Analyst in the membership program are not weekly options. I would say about 80% of our trades are swing trades. But we do have these times where we take these shorter term trades when we see the opportunity. So most of our day trades end up being big winners because we're just very patient and we wait for those really great setups. And Priceline just happened to be one of those. So getting back to the trade here, we alerted Priceline. The weekly calls here, the 1895 strike calls at 170. And this is, I'm on the West Coast, so this is West Coast time. This is about an hour and 15 minutes after the market opened, which is right here. So that's right around where we got it. And we saw some volume coming into it as well. You can see on, let me get this out of the way a little bit. So you can see this candle right here. I'll zoom in a little bit. That candle right there saw a nice increase in volume. It was this candle right there. Broke the high of the day on this candle right there. That's where we entered, and you can see it just virtually went straight up since then. Not only did we do this alert, but throughout the day, I'm talking about the trade so that you're able to understand where my head's at, what I'm thinking, and so that you can learn from the process. So here I posted this chart, and this is just an hour after the trade happened. So we were right around, you can see on this chart, I pointed out the volume that we were seeing on this 15-minute intraday chart for Priceline. I said, look at the Priceline intraday volume. Notice how most days don't get this type of volume intraday. But when they do, it makes a huge move. And I was pointing out, this is a previous day, and I was pointing out that it got a lot of volume intraday, and you can see how it made a huge move to the upside. So here, we saw the same thing. See that volume? Very similar to what we saw right here, and I was pointing that out to the members during that trade. So back to the trade here. We saw a very nice increase, and we saw a little bit of a stall right here. And this is right around where we exited, and the reason for the exit was because of the volume that we saw right here on this reversal candle, and it typically leads to some downside, which is exactly what happened. Obviously it went much higher after that, but you cannot expect to catch the entirety of every single move. But it was a very, very nice win. As you can see here, we entered in at 170, remember, and then we ended up closing this position at 770. That was about a 400 to 500% win. That was a very big win. As you can see, I used some expletives during the trading day. I was definitely excited about that, and that's not really a surprise. We get these kinds of wins all the time, and this is just what some of our members were saying. They're very excited. We're not worthy. We're not worthy. You have the hot friend. Get the baby some new shoes. I have a baby is what he's talking about. So you can see the members are getting very excited, and I was excited as well. That's what happens when you make these nice trades. So hopefully you were able to learn something from that. And since you watched this video on the Priceline trade, I have a limited time offer for you. You've seen the results on this Priceline trade. You know what these kinds of trades can do for your account, and you know that we can provide them for you. So you're probably wondering, how can you get the same results? Well, that's a great question, because we have the Trading Analyst membership program, and in it you have the ability to look over the shoulder of a successful and profitable trader. And you saw that in the video that I showed you earlier. You see that I'm not just giving these trade alerts. We're covering it in the member video. We're posting it on the private Twitter feed. I'm giving you my insights during that trade. In the membership program, you can also trade from anywhere because the alerts are sent in real time directly to your cell phone. You also have full and complete access to the private Twitter feed, where you can get live insights into the mind of a professional trader. And why does that matter? It matters because you can not only learn and become a better trader on your own, but you can also understand the trades that we're in better so that you can better execute them. You also have exclusive access to the daily member-only videos, and the learning never stops here at the Trading Analyst, because we're not just about trade alerts. We want you to be learning throughout the entire process. So it's a great way to learn while you are earning money. So you're probably wondering, what is the price? And that's a great question. The Trading Analyst membership program, next week, the prices are going back up to $249 a month, or for the annual membership, it is going to be $899 a year. Lucky for you, we have a special limited time offer for this week only. So for this week only, you can join the membership for $74 a month. Or if you prefer, you can try the membership out for free for 7 days on a trial, and at the end of that trial, you'll be in the annual membership for $468. These are huge discounts on the membership, and again, it is a limited time offer. So $74 a month, or You can try the membership out for free for 7 days on the annual membership, which ends up being, after the free trial, $468. And remember, you can cancel that membership at any point during that 7 days that you're accessing the membership for free, and you won't be charged a dime. So now, let's take a look at what the current members are saying to see what the current members are saying about the membership. And this is a great opportunity to learn what other people other than myself are saying about the membership, so you can get a really good feel for what it's like inside the program. This first one is from Ben Stevenson, and Ben says, "The Trading Analyst membership program is exactly what I've been searching for. It's so exciting being able to say that I make money from the markets. I knew bits and pieces of information about options and trading, but nowhere did I find a membership program and an analyst as knowledgeable as Taylor is. Thanks, Ben." The next one is from Chase Taylor. He has a great last name. "After jumping around from service to service, I finally found a home at the Trading Analyst with Taylor. He's amazing, and I feel so thankful that I stumbled upon his website. Everything happens for a reason, I guess. Thanks, Chase." Next one is from Francisco Pinto, a longtime member. Francisco says, "I absolutely love the membership program so far. It's worth 10 times what I paid for it, and I've been trying to turn a profit in the market for a while now and just couldn't do it. The Trading Analyst membership program was the very thing that I have to thank for turning my trading account profitable for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, Taylor." Thank you, Francisco. So, what to do next? Next, you're going to click the button below the video if you're on the website, and the button says "Join Now for Instant Access." Once you click that button, you're going to get started and get immediate access to the winning trade alerts that we discussed today, like Baidu, and the private Twitter feed, the daily member videos, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the membership program.